1. Drinking lemon water with honey. Lemon water and honey are two of the most common ingredients found in every kitchen. Each morning make a glass of lemon water and add 2 teaspoons full of honey into the water. Mix and drink it. Honey is known to be full of medicinal properties, and lemon helps in detoxing the digestive systems. All of these helps the body to let go of the excess fat, and the effects are visible in just weeks. This is one of the simplest weight loss remedies at home. 2. Powder of fenugreek seeds, carom seeds and black cumin seeds. Spices used in Indian foods often include hidden beneficial properties that many of us are unaware of. For instance, methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, increases the metabolic rate of the body, leading to fat loss. Carom seeds, ajwain, also help in the weight loss process. Black cumin seeds, kali jeera, are great for fat loss around the belly and can aid in reducing the overall weight. In order to simplify the process of consuming these, you can dry roast all of the mentioned spices together. Use a mortar and pestle to grind this mixture into a fine powder. Add this powder into a glass of water and drink it once each day. This is another simple yet effective home remedy to reduce weight. 3. Cinnamon and honey infused tea. Cinnamon and honey infused tea. Cinnamon, dalchini, is a regularly used spice in many dishes, both sweet and savory. However, you may not be aware of the fact that cinnamon greatly aids in reducing weight. The spice comes with internal properties that curb the sugar cravings and also helps regulate the insulin level in the blood. To prepare the honey and cinnamon tea, warm up a glass of water. Add 2 cinnamon sticks and a teaspoon of honey into the lukewarm water. Mix well and strain the mixture. Drink the cinnamon and honey-infused water on an empty stomach each morning. This will work wonders in case of your weight loss at home. 4. Chew raw garlic. Garlic is known to possess antiseptic properties and is found in every kitchen. However, chewing 2 or more cloves of garlic every morning is very beneficial when it comes to weight loss. However, garlic has a very pungent smell and taste, which may put you off from it. Try to form a habit of chewing raw garlic even though it may be repulsive the first few times. Remember to brush your teeth well after you do this, as the odor of raw garlic can stay inside your mouth throughout the day. 5. Stop consuming artificial sugars. Any sugar that is found in fruits and vegetables are naturally occurring sugars. If you want to reduce weight, try to restrict yourself to consuming these sugars only. This means that you need to cut down on sweets, ice creams, aerated drinks and similar products. Instead of adding sugar into your foods, try to incorporate the naturally occurring sweetness in vegetables and fruits. For instance, onions have a lot of sugar in them, which can be extracted by lightly sautéing them. Adding these sautéed onions infuses the entire dish with the natural sweetness from the onions. You do not need to add artificial sugar to such a dish. Other vegetables that are full of natural sugars include carrots and some pumpkins. 6. Staying hydrated. You might be surprised to know that something as simple as drinking sufficient amounts of water each day can be a very effective home remedy for weight loss. However, it is true that most people do not ingest enough water daily. They are either unaware of how much water needs to be consumed or they only drink when they feel thirsty. A good way to judge the amount of water your body needs is to weigh yourself and divide your weight with the number 30. The resulting amount coincides with the amount of water you need. For instance, if you weigh 65 kgs, then your daily water intake should be 65/30ths, which equals 2.16 liters. 7. Eat in a small plate. Human psychology is a big reason for changes in our lifestyle. Like many other things, what we eat is also governed by the way our brain perceives the world around us. Believe it or not, but the size of your plate actually governs the amount of food that you are about to consume. If you are eating in a large plate, you have a greater risk of overeating. 8. Some uncooked foods are good for you, while some vegetables provide added benefits when consumed raw. Tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, carrots and corn are some of the most common vegetables that can be safely consumed in their uncooked state. You can try creating a salad out of all these ingredients and have it every day. Raw vegetables are a great source of fiber and can work wonders for your digestion. Proper digestion is vital for fat breakdown and weight loss. However, while following this step, try to get your hands on vegetables that have been grown organically. Organic vegetables are devoid of insecticides and pesticides. These chemical ingredients can be quite harmful while consuming raw vegetables and fruits. This process is wonderful for those looking to lose weight naturally. 9. Whole grain foods. Grains are a staple food in world. Not a single day goes by when we do not consume grains, either in their natural form or in the form of flours. Grains provide the maximum benefit when consumed in their whole form. Refined grains or refined flours, maida, on the other hand, are quite harmful and will likely increase your body weight. This is because the refined flours are made out of simple carbohydrates. Whole grain flour (atta) is much more beneficial, since it contains a great deal of fiber along with the carbohydrates. This fiber aids in the proper digestion and regulation of the bowel system. In case of rice, try to consume brown rice, instead of the plain, white kind for the same reason. So, take care of your health and be healthy. Please subscribe for more interesting health and beauty tips. Thank you.